Most computer hacks start with a stolen password. Two-step verification stops that. But here's the thing. If you just ask your team to turn it on, most of them probably won't. You need to make sure you've set up two-step verification on your own Super Administrator account. Otherwise, you'll see an error message when you go to enforce it. To do this, go to myaccount.google.com, click on Security and Sign In, and then follow the steps to set up two-step verification. I recommend using the Authenticator app and security key options. Now, let's protect your team. In the Admin Console, go to Security, Authentication, Two-Step Verification. Set the enforcement to On From Date. In this case, I'm selecting 7 days from today. Make sure you deselect Allow the user to trust the device. If users can trust a device, then they're essentially skipping two-step verification, and that defeats the whole purpose. Now look for the New User Enrollment Period. Set this to 7 days. This means any new employees you add later will also have a grace period to set up two-step verification. You can choose which method your team uses. SMS text codes are the easiest option, but they're also one of the easiest to hack. I recommend selecting any method except verification codes via text or phone call. This will require users to set up a passkey, authenticator app, or security key as their second step. Now go to Directory and Users. You're going to force log out every user so that the next time they sign in, they see the requirement to set up two-step verification. Quick word of warning, do not do this in the middle of the workday. So with that in mind, to force log out a user, click on their name, Security, Sign in Cookies, and then Reset. So you might be wondering, if we've given them a 7-day grace period, why are we forcing a logout now? Because they'll only see the requirement to enroll in two-step verification the next time they log in. And since most users can remain logged into Google Workspace for up to 30 days, that may mean they miss the 7 days deadline. If someone doesn't set up two-step verification within the required time frame, they'll get an error message like this, and they'll be locked out of their account until you fix it for them. I've got a video here that shows you how to do that.